how to install Stremio on your Android TV in 2025. So these steps are actually available here on the Stremio's website. Now, to begin, let's start with allowing the installation of third-party apps. So you need to allow the third-party application to be installed on your device. So you'll just have to follow this step. You'll have to go to your settings and find the security options. Then there should be an option for you to activate the unknown sources. So this will allow the installation of apps from sources other than the Play Store. Now next is to download the Stremio installation APK file. So onto your browser on your Android device, just open www.stremio.com, and right after there should be a button that says download for Android, which is something like this. So you'll just have to click onto that button, and then right after, once the download is done, next step is to open the file that is downloaded to install it. So you'll just have to wait, and right after that, once installation is complete, all of your video contents will be available in the palm of your hand. So just open Stremio and log in with your email address or choose guest mode to explore without signing up. And lastly, to enable streaming, just install the add-ons here by clicking this puzzle icon in your Stremio app. Some troubleshooting tips: if videos buffer, check your internet connection. If an add-on fails, you can uninstall and reinstall it, and make sure you downloaded the correct APK for your Android TV. And that's it. Stremio is now installed and ready on your Android TV.